Hi, boys and girls. I am Miss Lamb.
I'm Vivian.
And today we are reading a nonfiction book called Plants Need Sunlight. And this is an exciting book to read because I've been working on my plants and making sure they have enough water and sunlight. So it's springtime. So if you're at home, you can do the same thing with your plants. So all about plants. All right, plants need sunlight. And you'll notice, since this is a nonfiction book, it has a table of contents in the beginning. And the table of contents tells us all of the information in the book. And it tells us the page number and the topic or the heading so that we can look up specific information that we want to learn about. So I'm going to angle the camera just a little bit like that. All right. So here we have a photograph with a caption, and then we have our heading, and we have a bold word. All of those are nonfiction text features that help us read and understand the information. So the picture caption says, all plants need water to live and grow. What do plants eat? Have you ever wondered what plants eat? The truth is amazing. Plants don't eat at all. Instead, plants make food inside their bodies. They only need 3 main ingredients. The first is water. The second is air. The most important ingredient is light. The food that plants make gives them the energy to live and grow. And here we have a picture, and the caption says, roots help plants get nutrients and water. So you can see those roots that are in the bottom. Plants also need nutrients to stay healthy. Nutrients are not food. They are other things found in soil and water that help plants grow. Plants pull them out of the soil or water through their roots. And it says, look. Yep, all right. Some greenhouses have special lamps to help plants grow. And in this picture, you can see a greenhouse with lamps. They use those as their light. Sunlight is important for plants that grow in the wild. Some plants are raised inside a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building that has the right conditions for growing plants. Greenhouses may use lamps to give plants extra light. Plants can grow under these lamps. Let's take a closer look at how plants use light. And here we have a photograph of a plant that has a few leaves early in its life. I'll put that up there so you can see that. Making food. Plants usually make food in their leaves. Do you remember the 3 main ingredients plants need? They are water, air, and
Sunlight.
light. But how do the ingredients get into the leaves? How do they get into the leaves? Can you see the veins in this leaf? A plant's roots are like straws. They grow down in the soil. They suck up the water and nutrients hidden there. Water flows up through the stem in veins. These are like tiny pipes that lead to every part of the plant. The water spreads to all the leaves. A thin skin covers the outside of each leaf. You'd be surprised if you saw the skin through a microscope. It has thousands of tiny holes. Air flows into the leaf when the holes are open. And here we have a photograph of a picture of a leaf as seen under a microscope. Can you see the tiny green blocks? A leaf looks green, but the skin is clear, like a window. Light can shine right through it. Inside the leaf are parts that look like tiny green blocks. These parts give the leaf its green color. Their job is to trap light energy The leaf uses sunlight energy to put air and water together. It makes a kind of thick liquid sugar. This is the plant's food. Plant food flows out of the leaf to every part of the plant. It flows through the plant's veins. A sunflower can have hundreds of seeds. Energy from food helps the plant grow. Food is used to make deeper roots and more leaves. The plant also needs energy to make seeds. If the plant gets enough sun and water, it can make extra food. This is stored in the plant's body. The energy can be used later. A squirrel can get food energy from eating apples. Hello, little squirrel. Sunlight in your food. Picture yourself eating an apple. What a delicious snack. The apple tree made it using energy from sunlight. You get food energy from the apple. The energy from food helps you play, think, and grow. Pandas eat bamboo plants. Food energy passes from plants to animals to other animals. This is called a food chain. Some animals eat plants, some animals eat other animals. Every animal on earth is part of a food chain. Almost all food chains begin with sunlight. Plants need sunlight. You need plants. And then at the end of this book, which is in most nonfiction books, you have a glossary with those important vocabulary words. And then it gives you information on where to find out more if you're interested in doing more research on plants. And then at the end of a nonfiction book, you find the index, which has keywords and the page numbers that they can be found on. And that is the end. So get outside and find some plants or try to grow something. You can grow a lot of different things. You can grow beans. You can grow celery. You can grow just about anything, right? All right. Bye.